Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are good. So, in my last sessions, I have given you an information about the basics of grammar, which will help you in course of learning the lessons. That's why first I taught you the grammar basics, parts of speech. And now I am going to start with a new lesson to you. The lesson name is White Mice. Our first lesson is White Mice. Very interesting lesson. So, here, what does this lesson teach us? Say, at home, so many people we stay together, family members. In some families, father, mother, children will be there. In some other families, grandparents also stay. In some families, even uncles, their wife, their children, joint family, big family will be there. So all of us stay together and we enjoy staying together also. In such a case, everybody's mentality or mindset will be different. Everybody's nature cannot be the same. అర్థమైందా? ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళ బిహేవియర్ వేరే వేరే టైప్ ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ దెన్ వీ గెట్ అడ్జస్టెడ్ విత్ ఈచ్ అదర్. అండర్స్టాండ్? సమ్ ఆర్ నాటీ, సమ్ ఆర్ వెరీ సీరియస్, లైక్ దాట్. సో such a type of naughty behavior and some kind of enjoyment out of which we are having in our new lesson today, White Mice. Okay. Before going to the lesson, I would like to give you difficult words. I hope you all are having textbooks. If not, now books are available in Sri Vidya. Please go and buy the books, because languages you can't manage without textbooks. I am reading the lesson means you have to look into the textbook. Okay. And I am giving the hard words you have to underline in the textbook. Then you can write. It will be easy for you to follow me. So whatever it is, if you have had the book, well and good. Otherwise, please do buy the book as soon as possible. Okay, children. So first, let me give you the difficult words of this lesson. I am writing the difficult words on the blackboard. Then I am going to start the read the lesson, so that it will be easy for you to follow me. So, I am writing and reading them 2 times each. Please follow me. Just listen to me carefully for the pronunciation purpose. First word you get is telegram. 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 Second one, station master. STATION. Station. MASTER. Master. Station master. Third one, rasgullas. 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 Fourth is veranda. 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 Fifth is miniature. Miniature. MINI. Mini. ATURE. Miniature. 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 bungalows, Bungalows. Bungalows. Bung. Wait. Bungalows. Bungalows. Ferris wheel. Ferriswheel. Ferris wheel. Eighth one is rattling off. Rattling. Rattling. Off. Rattling off. Rattling. Rattling. Off. Rattling off. Ninth one is arm. chair. Chair. Armchair. arm. chair. Armchair. colony. 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 Leith. Lithe. Leith. Leith. Commending. 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 13th. Beamed. 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 Pleasure. 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 Thrust. 15th word is thrust. Sixteenth, released. 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 And I am going to give you 2 or 3 more words. Seventeenth, popped out. Popped. Popped out. Popped out. Popped. Out. Popped out. Next, convinced. 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 19th, transferred. 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 Last one, compartment. 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 These are the hard words for today. Understand? You have to write them 3 times each in your notebook. Last year you had a habit of writing 3 times each, then leaving a line. and making 2 columns on each page. Please do that. Write and learn the hard words. So these are the hard words. Now I will read the lesson. Now I am going to read the lesson. You just listen to me properly. Then I will explain you the lesson. Okay. White mice. What is mice? Mouse is singular, mice is plural. Understand? It is irregular noun. Mouse singular, mice plural. All these things we learnt in our grammar classes. So, the lesson goes like this. The story is narrated by a little boy. He was to return to his parents after his summer vacations. His uncle, Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, puts him on the wrong train. When the boy realizes the mistake his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram to his grandfather. The kind station master, Mr. Ghosh, keeps the boy safe till his grandfather reaches Lucknow and invites him to his house. Okay, the story is narrated by. This word also I couldn't give. Please you underline in your notebook, textbook. Narrated means described, explained. This story is explained by a little boy. He was to return to his parents after his summer vacations. Vacations means holidays. Vacations means holiday. This boy has to return to his parents after summer vacations. As you people all go to your grandparents' house or uncle's house during holidays, the boy also goes to his uncle's place and he had to return to his parents. Okay. So, his uncle, Ken. Ken is his uncle's name. This is English name, children. Okay. His uncle Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, puts him on the wrong train. His uncle Ken, who came to the station to see him off. See him off means you know what is see off? What is seeing off? Saying goodbye. Goodbye. To say goodbye to somebody who is going, or to say bye. You go to the station when your relatives are going back from your house. This is called seeing off. Okay. So when his uncle, it seems he went to his uncle's house, from where he has to go back to his parents. So his uncle Ken comes to the station to see him off. But what he did, he puts him on the wrong train. Do you put, see this is the duster, I am putting it on the stool. Like that do we put? No. He makes him sit in the wrong train, which was not going to the place where he is supposed to reach. Understand? So, when the boy realizes this, when the boy comes to know this or understands this, what the mistake his uncle made, what did he do? He gave a telegram to his grandfather. So, when the boy realizes the mistake his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram to his grandfather. When the boy understands the mistake his uncle did, what did he do? When the train stopped at the Lucknow station, he gets down from the train. From there he sends a telegram. What is telegram? Do you know? I hope you people don't know now what is telegram. Because We are very much used to phones. Within seconds we can speak to the people who are staying far off. In a few years ago, when you have to give the urgent message, telegram we have to send, coded message we call, and it reaches the person within 1 day or 2 days. Okay, it was not as quick as our phone calls. Now mostly no people would send the telegrams because we all are having these handsets, telephones, which made our work very easier. But telegram was sent in when we were small people. Okay, so he sent a telegram. What he did, when he came to know about his uncle's mistake, he got down at Lucknow station and sent a telegram to his grandfather. So what did he do? He stayed with the station master. Who is called station master? One who is the main administrator in a particular railway station we call. He was very kind person. His name was Mr. Ghosh. Who was the station master at Lucknow? Mr. Ghosh. Oh, so he keeps this boy with him till his grandfather arrived. Means till his grandfather reaches Lucknow, comes to Lucknow and invites him to his house. What did he do? He invited him to his house. So, what we are going to do is, this is the beginning of the story, introduction. What happens in Mr. Ghosh's house, and then from there, how this boy goes back to his place, and what did he do in his place, and what gift he gets while going to his place from Mr. Ghosh. It's very interesting story, children. So, what is the story? This story is the White Mice story is narrated by a small boy. Means explained, described by a small boy. He went to his uncle's place for holidays. After the holidays were over, summer vacation means summer holidays. After the holidays were over, he came back to his, he was supposed to come back to his parents. So his uncle had came to the station to see him off. But by mistake his uncle puts him in a wrong train. Means he made him go into the wrong train. Then what happened? After some time, after the train left the station, he realizes, who this boy realizes, understands his uncle's mistake, that you made him sit in a wrong train. He gets down at Lucknow station. Then meets, what did he do? He gave telegram to his grandfather and he met the station master, whose name was Mr. Ghosh. He was a very kind man. Seeing this small guy, he made him stay with him. He took him to his home till his grandfather came back. Understand? So when his grandfather came to Lucknow, he invited his grandfather also to his house, and he gave some, hospitality, means received the guest, looked after him properly, and then he sent them both to their own place. While going, as anybody comes to our house, any relatives, we give some gifts, no, while they were going back, same way, he gave some gift to that boy. What is that gift? How he enjoyed it? We are going to learn tomorrow. So that's it for today, children. Thank you.